Alright, here's the situation. The auto show's about to end. They're closing the doors and putting everybody out. I want to record the Ford Lightning. Let's see what I can do. I gotta get you this footage. Let's go.
You guys, leave me here tonight, psych. No, don't do that, please. No, I'm leaving in like 2 minutes, I promise. I'm just gonna roll around on the way out.
So this is the Ford Lightning, that beast that we saw driving downstairs. Truck was pretty fast. How about this? Stick around and I'll show you what this truck could do. Alright, let's get back to the show. So then, let me get you some dimensions. The F-150 Lightning offers a 5.5 foot bed for its 4-door Super Crew cab. In case you didn't know, the longer bed option is not available on the Lightning, but is available on the gas-powered trucks, meaning the gas-powered F-150s. Okay then, let's get into the inside of the Lightning to see what tech package comes with it. The Lightning Standard Package offers cruise and autonomous driving, meaning you get adaptive cruise control, steering controls for cruise and lane centering, available Blue Cruise hands-free driving assist, autonomous mode for mapped highways, driver monitoring to assure engagement. That means keep your hands and your eyes on the road. The F-150 Lightning prioritizes functionality and standard seating with customized options. With the standard package, you get vinyl upholstery and manual seat adjustments. With the more premium package, you get to pick your own colors. You also get heated and vented front seats, power seats, leather upholstery, driver seat memory settings, heated rear seats, and more. Hey, these guys gonna want us to wrap this up, but before we do, let's talk about the outside dimensions and what it has to offer. It is very clear that the Ford 150 Lightning reflects a traditional pickup truck while electrifying the EV truck market. This brings us to the outside dimensions. Let's start with the overall length, 232.7 inches. That's 5.9 meters. This measurement aligns closely with the traditional gas-powered F-150 Super Crew. All this body is supported by an adjustable Stage 4 suspension system. This allows for off-roading adventures, personal preferences, and work-related tasks. Hey, this truck is hot, beautiful color, but just the other way, let's take a look at this nice gray F-150 Lightning pickup truck. It looks exactly like the red pickup truck a couple of feet the other way, but unfortunately we're not going to have time to go over all the details on this truck as we was able to do on the first one, and the first one we wasn't able to get too much either, so just gotta walk past these guys. They're looking at me right now. Want to be respectful because we appreciate the opportunity to be here today. So I think we're being put out.
Okay, I appreciate you guys, thank you.
But we'll just spin this around and I'll give you the details as I walk out the door.
Nice.
Really nice. I will have to do this quickly because I did promise you the F-150 on the track. So we got 15.5 touchscreen, syncable 4A software, key feature, updates over the air, navigation, wireless smartphone, voice control, and Wi-Fi. That's a wrap. Now let's get into the track.
Let's take a look at that Lightning. I just may get it to one, who knows? There's a lot of talk about this Ford Lightning.
Hey, don't mind me. I will be a little excited, so a little loud. And stick around. I have another surprise for you after this.
What? Damn, that thing lightning fast.
No one even compares.
Okay.
And we have the most vehicles on the track as well.
Those are facts. I did see more Lucid Motor cars on the track than anything else, but I'll let you watch.
I want to have this conversation with you. Now, I don't know if it's the driver. I don't know if it's like whatever rules they got laid out there on the track. I watched this thing take off, and I was like, it's okay. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. We're going to get there, right? I watched the lyric. My dealer gave me the lyric for 2 days. I took it home. I did a review on it. I hit it. That thing is powerful. It's a fast car, right? I'm not sure the weight. Because I didn't finish my review on it. I got to wrap it up. But I'm quite sure it's a pretty heavy car. My car, I have an e-tron. That car weighs over 6,000 pounds. You know that, right? So being that this is a small motor, we'll talk about that. Okay?
So I would. Go ahead.
I seen the Ford Lightning. I never drove it yet, but I've seen the Ford Lightning on the track. That thing moves,
Okay.
right? So I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna let you talk.
So all I have to say in regards to that,
Okay.
we're the only company here that's been asked to stop driving fast because they were going to shut us down from doing test drives.
Okay.
So, So that lets you know what we're capable of and what everybody else is doing. Like we were specifically singled out inside our group because of the driving.
Well, I have to find out who called that shot, and I gotta talk to them.
There's safety regulations. But
Hold on, just wait. Just wait. I want to give you a sneak preview on what's next. This, my friends, is what you would call a lucid motor in real time. It is my duty to provide to you a decent review.